Pyrethrin aerosol spot spray offers a fast knockdown for flying and crawling insects when you need immediate indoor control. For effective use, pick a product labeled for indoor spot treatments and read the label start to finish before you do anything else, because the label is the law and contains specific application sites and personal protective equipment. Recommendations: apply only in small targeted areas such as cracks and voids, windowsills, baseboards, and entry points, using short bursts and keeping a safe distance from people and pets. Avoid broad surface sprays. Combine the aerosol knockdown with insecticide baits or bait stations placed in protected locations to target the colony or reproducing insects for longer-term control rather than relying on repeat sprays. After spraying, ventilate the treated area by opening windows and using fans until odors dissipate and adhere to any re-entry intervals stated on the label to reduce inhalation risk. Use disposable gloves or washable work gloves and eye protection during application, and wash hands and expose skin thoroughly afterward. Launder clothing separately if contaminated. Store the product in its original container, locked away from children and pets, and dispose of empty cans according to local hazardous waste rules. 3 common mistakes are overusing the spray in open living areas, which increases exposure and reduces effectiveness against hidden populations, using only knockdown without addressing food and water sources, which allows insects to rebound, and misapplying into HVAC intakes or ventilation, which can distribute fumes, limit treatments to targeted spots and cracks. Implement sanitation and moisture control, pair aerosols with baiting strategy, and never spray into ventilation ducts. Another frequent issue is ignoring label directions on personal protective equipment and re-entry time, so follow those instructions exactly to protect yourself and others. A third problem is treating structural voids or behind walls improperly. If you cannot access a void use labeled crack and crevice methods, or consult a professional rather than forcing aerosols into places that can create residual exposure or cause the product to migrate. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners and contractors around projects related to pest control and other home improvements. Our site helps people find local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work, while also hosting an active discussion community where users exchange advice, product experiences, and practical how-to tips.